confident faith is the faith in the three Jews that arises from the depth of our heart once we understand their extraordinary qualities and the power of the blessings. It is the total trust in the three Jews alone that comes from the knowledge that they are the only unfailing refuge always and in all circumstances. Whether we are happy, sad, in pain, ill, living, or dead. The precious Lord of Udayana says, the faith of total trust allows blessings to enter you. When the mind is free from doubt, whatever you wish can be achieved. Faith, then, is like a seed from which everything positive can grow. The sutras say, in those who lack faith, nothing positive will grow. Just as from a burnt seed, no green shoot will ever sprout.